to show you how to play Strangers in the Night as sung by Frank Sinatra. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. Starts on an F. We're in the key of F to start with. Then at the end he modulates into the key of G. But we start off with the F, G, G, F, G, F, G, A, G, F, E, F, F, E, F, E, F, G, F, E, D, E, E, D, E, D, E, F, E, D, B flat, G, A, G, A, G, A, B flat, A, G, F, G, G, F, G, F, G, A, G, F, E, F, F, E, F, E, F, G, F, E, C, C, B flat, A, A, B flat, C, C, B flat, A, C, B flat, A, A, B flat, C, C, B flat, A, B flat, A, G, G, B flat, A, G, G, B flat, A, G, G, F, E, F, E, F, A, G, G, F, F, E, D, E. And then for the bass, most of what you do, you go F, C, 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 F, C, C, drop the octave, F, C, C, F, C, C, C. And then sometimes you do G, D, D, G, D, G, G, D, D, D. Now there's some other things in there, but once you get that down, and it's tricky to get that. It's tricky to get that down, but that's what they do for the introduction on those the song. They start with the melody. There's the introduction, and then it goes right into the vocals. Now for the bass, it's just going to go F, C, 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 F, C, 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 F, C, 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 G, C, 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 and then back to the F. So here's the introduction. And then we're into the melody. And we start off just like we did the introduction. But keep the F going. Here we go to an A. So those first, you do that F, C, C, C. You do that actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times before you go to the A. Just going to go A flat, G, D, A, D, G, D, F sharp, F. So that's a fill right there. So you go A, D, A, D, G, D, F sharp, F, and then we're on to the G. So now we're into the bass. The melody goes up to a G, A, G, A. G, A, B flat, A, G, and we're on to a G right here. Now, right here we go to a C. Now there you go, C, G, C, C, G, C, C, and then C, C, F. And then we've got a fill right there too, but we've got start on the G. Now this is a little tricky here. You go F and then play an F chord right there. So C, F, C, C, F, A, C. So you got. So you're going to play that chord right there. CFA, and you're going to hit it several times. Then you go C, G, hit the chord, F, E, hit the chord, C, C, D, C, and hit the chord with that C in the bass, and then we go to the C minor chord, C, E flat, G. And when you hit this A, just go up, slide up to an A and back to the G right there with your thumb. Hit the chord. Do that same thing. Then we're going to go to an E flat, F sharp, A, and you got C up here. So you got that diminished or diminished seventh sound. So you got. And what you're doing here in the bass, you're going to go E flat, F sharp, A, D, D, right back to that E flat, F sharp, A, and then go down to this D, back up to this D, and then G, D, D, and then we're going to go to a B flat minor. So I'm going to go slowly through that so that you can see it. Here's the G, and then hit that D and that D. Go down, so D, D. Now go to the B flat minor, which is B flat, D flat, F, B flat, D flat. Repeat that. Now we go into a change of the chords. You go from an F chord with the F in the center, C F A. Da 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 D, D minor chord, D F A, da 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 G minor chord, but put the G in the center, D G B flat, and then we go to it's got an E G B flat in there, right there. Not sure what I would call that chord. It's an E diminished sound right there, but you've got that in the melody, so probably just an E diminished sound. So you've got an F chord to a D minor chord to a G flat, or a G minor chord to an E diminished, and then we're back to the verse. So let's get that up together. Let's put that together right, and keep it slow so you can see it. Back to the verse. Now there are some renditions where he shortens and he doesn't sing that second verse. He goes right to the tag. But I'm playing it with the second verse. And then here we're going to have an instrumental interlude. Just go to an F, E, F, G, F, E, and then play the F chord, hold it, sustain that chord, and then play C, G, F, E, C, D, C, and then we go right back to that C minor sound that we've already played for the chorus. Don't play as many D's this time. Instrument. And then you just, instead of going down, you just hold that E, and that's our modulating note right there. So there in the bass, you go C, just a single note D, G, C. So we go. And then we go right into G. And then he changes the melody here and goes up to a D, B, A, G, D. He goes D, B, A, G, D. So when we're in the key of G, you're just going to go G, D, 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 G, D, 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 G, D, D, D. And then you're going to go to an A, D, 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 A. So they're in the key of G, playing the second verse reprise with the tag. We've got, let's go right before it so that you can hear the chord change going into the key of E. sharp for the melody. Now in his performance, he has an extended little interlude right there. I just have a 1-bar interlude. And then go right into his doobie-doobie-doo. I just do 2 of the doobie-doos right there. Doobie-doobie-doo, and then I go right to a G arpeggio. G, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G. You can add an A in there if you want. But I like it with just a straight arpeggio. So we've got, on the doobie-doos, you got... Here you have it, Strangers in the Night, as sung by Frank Sinatra. Hope you enjoy it.